GM everyone, welcome to another episode of Investing Analysis. First of all, signals nothing changed. We are still holding as we were holding yesterday. Let's get into the Bitcoin. First of all, we had some fake out above the current prices last night and it trapped a lot of retail traders above 72k in the name of early longs. So for now, as we discussed yesterday, price can come back inside this range and this will make retail traders aggressively bearish and you will be seeing the tweets inside X that they are shorting mid-range or range lows because it's inside the range again, right? But the data that we have inside on-chain and each and every system that we use indicates that price can stay at these areas for a bit more time to build liquidations above the current prices and then bust out of it in a single candle to liquidate all those retail traders. Remember, our main perspective, our main bias is bullish, and that's the GLI fair value gap above the current price. The framework for that is right. So we don't care what price does in a single candle or in a single day, right? Because our main objective is bullish, and that's we are gonna go higher in the very midterm. But we have to analyze the very short term markets too, because we take some trades inside our Discord, right? Oil is looking absolutely bullish. It's showing strength in here. I posted the update inside my Twitter as well when it was around $86 that it's gonna go towards the $100 area, and tomorrow the CME markets will be opened and we'll see how oil continues from here. We'll be keeping an eye on it. Make sure to follow me inside my Twitter so you don't miss any updates, right? The evidence of this hypothesis that we made of Bitcoin that it can stay above this at this area at this range for a bit more time to build up liquidations above the current prices. You can see this evidence on chain as well. Bitcoin long short liquidation dominance is decreasing rapidly and it's coming towards this negative territory. And once this gets below it, once it gets negative, that will confirm that yes, now we are entered inside a shorts liquidations dominance market. This means that shorts will be liquidated at every specific green candle at every step, right? Bitcoin futures composite sentiment index, you can see it's at its low levels. And whenever this indicator is at its low levels, this indicates price has accumulated much and now it's the start of a rally, the beginning of a rally, right? You can see whenever this indicator accumulates at such high levels, this results in tops, right? Now, Bitcoin power 30-day, it's want to see this indicator go back at this territory that will give up some fuel in the price. Similarly, Bitcoin power 30-day change is bullish as we discussed in our one of our investing analysis. This great thing to see because it is very correlative indicator with the price and this results in formation of early bottoms, right? I don't think so this data is updated. It's lagging a day, 1 day or some hours because yesterday it was inside leveraged sell off. It should have been inside leveraged rally yesterday because price was keep pumping up and the rally was of course leveraged rally and it updated I guess at night somewhere, but it's still lagging. It should be today inside this leveraged sell off because market price is going down and you can see, right? So won't give this indicator again unless it's updated. It's not updated, it is lagging basically, right? The evidence of this you can see on the funding rates. It was positive yesterday and now shifted back negative, which is a great thing to see because retail traders keep their short engines on and they are shorting for the lower targets and they are not believing this rally. They're similarly they are expecting that price has to go lower to fulfill their dreams, right? Because it can be sentimental as well based on US Iran conflict that they always think that wars are bearish, but this time the war has priced in, right? So that's why they will be trapped this time. The retail traders will be trapped this time. The evidence you can see, these liquidation levels are actively building up. These are not passive. These are active liquidations that are increasing, that are getting denser on the 6 months each and every day. This what this mean? This means that retail traders are opening active long positions each and every day. That's why they are getting denser and denser each and every day, right? One more evidence I would be looking at the liquidation clusters that will confirm our very short term bias, right? So you can see the on 1 day we have pretty symmetrical on liquidation clusters, but the evidence can be seen on 7 day. The liquidation clusters are getting day by day denser, and the target are below current price, right? So that matches our bias very, very specifically. That price can come back inside this range and spend some time in here in this specific zone. This will make retail traders more bearish and then get out of it in a single candle and surprise them with a green big candles, right? So we have some limit orders for our trades inside these areas for Bitcoin as well Ethereum. So we will be actively monitoring that as well inside our Discord. So make sure if you are not a Discord member, get inside Discord so you can actively manage your portfolio spot as well trading portfolio, right? So I guess that's enough for today. Make sure to manage your trades accordingly and trade always systematically. Thanks for watching.